what's up? Today this video is going to be based off of switching over this Razor dirt bike and putting a ski on the front of it. And so, so if you guys want to see these crazy builds and stuff like this, make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And yeah, so let's get into it. Alright, so first off, to make this process work, we have to take off the front wheel. And so, to do that, we have to undo the nuts. And yeah, so let's get into that. Kind of hard to do, as you can see, with gloves on, so that's mainly the problem. But we got that first one off. Now all we got to do is this last one. And so how this all came up was, so my other neighbor, one of my other neighbors is right behind the camera filming, but he will be in one of the videos. So the first video he will be in, and I'm sure there will be lots more to come. And yeah, so this all started because my other neighbor, like I was saying, he was like, well, we should put a ski on the front of this thing for winter. So we grabbed the ski from down in my basement, and so we brought it up, we put some bolts on it and some nuts, and just tried to fit it onto the forks of this thing. And we tested it, and it actually worked out pretty well. So, alright. So the wheel's off. Now, all we gotta do is pop these things on there. Alright, bolt up. That's the last. So there are 2 bolts, 2 washers, and 2 nuts. So the washers have to be on the inside of the forks to make keep it like level and like centered. Okay. So put it down. There, let me take off my gloves. This is gonna be hard to do. Alright, lift it up. There you go. Alright. Now pick it up. So these washers may be just a little bit too big, and these are mainly the only ones that I got. So this is going to be quite a process. There we go. And there we go. Alright, so now it's in. So now I just pop that piece. It holds the forks onto the ski. And so now we just gotta tighten the bolt, wrong bolt.
Ski looks like it's tilted.
Yeah, I'm sure it is, but
It's fine.
it'll be fine. But so now all we gotta wait for is snow, I guess. We live in Connecticut, and so we just gotta wait until we get snow, and then as soon as we get that, we also have snowmobiles, so then that'll be videos to come. And yeah, so we're gonna try to make productive videos for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy them, I guess. But yeah. Alright, so that's nice and tight. Of course, it's gotta be stuck on there. We'll do the same thing with this side. Now take the bolt. I don't know where I just put the bolt. Is it over here? No, where it just went. Oh, there it is. Sorry guys, this is quite a process, but oh my god. There we go. Alright, so now we're in the home stretch. Just gotta tighten the bolts, and that's how we do it. So just tighten that, and then we're good. Alright. Yep, so we're all set, and yeah, so we'll probably do some riding for you guys in the backyard, and yeah, so we'll catch you guys in a couple minutes. Alright guys, so we're heading down to our long stretch of water. So, well, it's a little stretch. How's it riding back there? Good! Alright. We're going about 5 miles an hour. Can I just go right through like this? No. Alright, so guys, we just came up with this idea. So we're gonna hook the dirt bike up to the back of the quad by using a ratchet strap, hook it up to the ski. And so this thing does not have enough power right now because the grass, I mean, it's kind of moist, but like it's very it's just thick. So we'll hook it up and then we'll just pull it right through. So yeah, we'll get some shots of that. Start.